Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. 78th Independence Day celebrated with enthusiasm in East and West Khasi Hills. Ribhoi district celebrates Independence Day with grand parade. Traffic chaos on Independence Day due to fishing competition. And second district level archery competition held in East and West Khasi Hills. And now the news in detail. The 78th Independence Day was celebrated with great fervor at Dommaulom Pendeng Umyong Mairang in East and West Khasi Hills district. The event saw a grand flag hoisting ceremony led by Khuborjylla, MLA of Kleriat constituency and Minister of State. The ceremony, attended by local residents, government officials and school children, included the distribution of certificates to athletes who excelled in the Meghalaya Games. In addition, the Ashas were honored for their contributions and prizes were awarded to winners of the March Past competition. The festivities were further highlighted by an array of performances, including dances and songs by students, adding to the celebratory spirit of the day.
It is a somber moment for us to pay homage to our freedom fighters. As Indians, we are fortunate to have servers like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose as the founding fathers of our nation. We remember the patriots from Meghalaya's soil, the Tirot Singh, Gyanamba, and Patagon, Samla. We also remember the pain of those who were displaced by the partition of India. We respectfully remember members of armed force, paramilitary force, and police force of the country and our states who have made great sacrifice in protecting the rule of law. It has been a year of great significance for Meghalaya as our ambitious economic growth plan for transforming the state into a $10 billion economy took shape in the form of Mission 10. Under this plan, we have identified 10 opportunity sectors which hold immense potential to generate prosperity for the state. We have also assured 10 welfare guarantees to the citizens so that prosperity is equitable, distributed amongst all Meghalayans.
On August 15th, Ribhoi district marked India's Independence Day with a vibrant celebration at NSCA Paham's Ames Stadium. Shaklyar Warjri, Minister of Sports, was the chief guest and hoisted the national flag, receiving a salute from the children in the parade. The event was attended by Nongpo MLA Mirubons Aim, Ribhoi MLA Abhilash Baranwal, Deputy Commissioner Jakpal Singh Dhanau and other senior officials. The parade featured 25 groups including police, schools and NCC cadets. The ceremony also honored local sportsmen, health centers and other contributors who have brought distinction to the district. The day was marked by pride and community spirit, celebrating both national heritage and local achievements.
And following closely we have the NCC of Shillong Higher Secondary School under the command of Ms. Larissa S. Martanu. Approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Alpha. Ladies and gentlemen, and following closely we have the girls contingent from RPP Sunat English Secondary School under the command of Ms. Pavitra Lindar. Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the RPP Sunat English
Secondary School led by Commander Samla.
On 15th August, a significant traffic jam plagued Highway 44E stretching from Binther to Shillong village, coinciding with the 78th Independence Day celebrations. The congestion was attributed to the influx of participants and spectators for a fishing competition held at a pond near Langtor village. Reports indicate that many drivers exacerbated the situation by obstructing the road while purchasing competition tickets. The competition, which offers a cash prize of Rs 10 lakh or a truck dumper, drew large crowds, leading to severe traffic delays. The situation highlighted the need for better traffic management during such events to prevent similar issues in the future. The Archery Association of East and West Khasi Hills District on the 15th of August, in collaboration with the District Sports Officer, organized the second district level archery competition at Kinshipulun Mauthatrashan CNRD block. The event aimed to identify top archers among youth, boys and girls for selection to the Meghalaya Games 2025. The competition saw enthusiastic participation and showcased emerging talent in archery. Winners were awarded certificates and trophies in recognition of their achievements. The event not only provided a platform for local talent, but also set the stage for future sporting events at the state level. On August 15, 2024, the second Division League football tournament organized by the Pendeng Umyong District Sports Association culminated in a thrilling final at Donbosco Stadium, Mairang. Despite the rainy weather, a sizable crowd gathered to watch the match between Lingdo Maram SC and Dongkingding SCO. Lingdo Maram SC emerged victorious with a 2-0 win over Dongkingding SCO. Both teams received cash prizes for their performances, and as the top two finishers, they have qualified for the first Division League of the Pendeng Umyong District Sports Association. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.